Have you ever caught yourself wondering why your bones feel more fragile with each passing year? Maybe you've noticed a little more stiffness, or perhaps your doctor mentioned something about bone density during your last checkup. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Millions of people over 50 are asking the same question. Can you actually reverse bone loss? Or is it just something we have to accept with age? That's what we're going to explore today. And let me tell you, there's a lot of hope to be had. You see, while aging does bring certain changes to our bodies, science has come a long way in showing us that we have more power than we think when it comes to our bones. We're going to uncover the truth about what's really possible and how simple changes in your daily life can make a world of difference. In this video, we'll look at proven ways to strengthen your bones, reduce your risk of fractures, and even rebuild some of what you may have lost. And the best part? You won't need a laboratory full of fancy supplements or extreme exercise routines. Just small, practical habits that fit easily into your life. So, grab a cup of tea or coffee, and let's start by talking about the very foundation of strong bones: nutrition. Most people think of calcium right away, and yes, it's important. But here's a little secret. Your bones need more than just calcium to thrive. Think of it like building a house. You can't do it with bricks alone. You need mortar, wood, nails, and a solid foundation. One key player many people overlook is vitamin D. Without it, your body can't absorb calcium effectively, no matter how much you take. And as we get older, our skin's ability to make vitamin D from sunlight naturally decreases. That means a little time outdoors each day, say 15 to 20 minutes with your arms and face exposed, can go a long way. If that's not possible, a simple vitamin D supplement might be a smart choice. Talk to your doctor about what's right for you. Now, here's another thing that surprises a lot of folks: protein. Yes, protein isn't just for building muscles. It also plays a big role in keeping bones strong. Studies show that people who get enough high-quality protein tend to maintain better bone mass. Think about adding a little more lean meat, fish, eggs, dairy, beans, or nuts to your meals. Even a small boost in daily protein can help support the structure of your bones. And here's a fun tip you might not expect: prunes. That's right, prunes aren't just good for digestion. They've been shown to help slow down bone loss, especially in older women. A handful of prunes each day could be a tasty and simple way to support your bones. Now that we've started laying the groundwork with nutrition, it's time to talk about how movement fits into the picture. Because believe it or not, your bones love movement. They're living tissue, constantly breaking down and rebuilding themselves. But here's the catch. Without regular movement, your body gets the message that those bones aren't needed as much anymore. That's when bone loss speeds up. Now, I'm not talking about running marathons or lifting huge weights. In fact, too much high-impact exercise can sometimes do more harm than good, especially if you already have osteoporosis or fragile bones. What I am talking about is gentle, consistent, weight-bearing movement. Walking is one of the best and easiest options. Just a brisk 20 to 30-minute walk most days can stimulate your bones to stay strong. You don't even have to do it all at once. Short walks after meals, for example, are a wonderful way to sneak in activity throughout your day. But don't stop there. Strength training, yes, lifting light weights or even using resistance bands can be a game changer. When you work your muscles, they pull on your bones, which signals your body to build more bone tissue. And no, you won't bulk up or look like a bodybuilder. You'll simply be giving your bones the healthy stress they need to stay dense and durable. If weights aren't your thing, consider exercises like Tai Chi or yoga. These improve balance and flexibility, which can help prevent falls, a major cause of fractures in older adults. They also gently strengthen the muscles around your bones, offering another layer of protection. Now let's take a moment to talk about something that's just as important as diet and exercise: your mindset. You might be wondering, is it really possible for me to improve my bone health at this age? The answer is a resounding yes. Your bones are dynamic, and they respond to what you do today. It's never too late to start making positive changes. Of course, progress won't happen overnight. Think of it like tending a garden. You water, you nourish, you give it sunlight, and little by little, life begins to flourish again. The same goes for your bones. Small steps, taken consistently, can lead to remarkable improvements over time. And while we're on the subject of small steps, there's another area that's often overlooked when it comes to bone health: your everyday habits. Certain lifestyle choices can either help or hurt your bones without you even realizing it. And one of the biggest culprits hiding in plain sight is excess salt. Yes, too much salt in your diet can actually pull calcium out of your bones. Think about all those processed foods: canned soups, frozen meals, snack chips. They may be convenient, but they come with a hidden cost. Try choosing fresh, whole foods more often and seasoning your meals with herbs instead of reaching for the salt shaker. Another sneaky threat is soda, especially the dark, cola-type sodas. They often contain phosphoric acid, which can disrupt the balance of minerals in your bones. If you enjoy fizzy drinks, consider switching to sparkling water with a splash of fruit juice. It's a refreshing alternative that won't sabotage your efforts. Now, let's not forget about something many of us cherish: coffee and tea. The good news is moderate amounts are perfectly fine. In fact, coffee and tea contain beneficial antioxidants, but if you're drinking 5 or 6 cups a day, that can interfere with calcium absorption. Aim to enjoy these beverages in moderation and pair them with meals rich in bone-friendly nutrients. And here's something that often surprises people: stress. Chronic stress floods your body with cortisol, a hormone that can weaken bones over time. That's why finding ways to relax and unwind is not just good for your mind, it's essential for your bones too. Whether it's taking a walk in nature, practicing meditation, or simply enjoying a hobby you love, give yourself permission to slow down and breathe. Now, before we wrap up, I want to share one final piece of encouragement. If you've been told that bone loss is inevitable, or that it's too late to do anything about it, don't believe it. Yes, reversing bone loss takes time, patience, and consistency. But countless studies and real-life stories show that improvement is possible. It starts with small, intentional steps. Nourish your body with the right nutrients. Move in ways that support and strengthen your bones. Let go of habits that quietly work against you. And above all, keep believing in your body's ability to adapt and heal. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. Many others are walking the same path, facing the same challenges, making the same changes, and celebrating the same victories, big and small. And we'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these tips? What has helped you the most in supporting your bone health? Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your story might inspire someone else who's just getting started. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends or family who could benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more empowering health tips like this. We have so much more to explore together. Here's to stronger bones and a stronger you. Take care of yourself, and thanks for watching.